assalamu alaikum mbaɗigol mi yalana rek ka Tra TV la juuɓe ga kaletene wato wati rek ka findi kata nina jambaro ka kaca min yalane ko tolle ɓe kata ko kan gambia kono jang mi yalan safaro mulma suuteno bari ndol ka fole ko fansita ni mari tarandi je ni e kaca ila kata ko ɓe kan gambia kono bari safale ko mi yabi jannal ne ko amantara mo jamala kumpoto ani ma long bari sa ya to moyle mol ka to fa ani fana ani ma to moy bari sa la ne ko mo yalla ko be TikTok use kan sometimes ka across ala video la ani ngala do ko kenda be minki kan rek bari nda ku gel ten ron babul ten ron na bismillah programme ko ten ron ani ka be mba fala ten ron al kana ni ne ko mo subscribe na YouTube channel do Facebook ani TikTok ani Instagram ten anal badi malen fatikulu bale mba fala bismillah isefon introduce no mo le telen jumade
assalamu alaikum ngal be konton bake Tra TV anal management o mumela be nga gammenol fanan be konton and mel yalan ka foko e bena nyim video fanan jibela ngamo be konton bake ngafal be ko assalamu alaikum tamu na tokendo Muhammad lati Sisao bari kan commande on TikTok Dog Master yeah yeah
na ho nyame rek amantara mo la kumboto ani ma jatan rombari ya to mo le ka fatale Dog Master Sisao ani ka bi lafta rek ya mo le ko ite ya original from where and yeni commencé nyaadi
de na original ndemu URR mbotolto Tamba Sansan mbotolto abe Tumana district le ngana dindi ya ko leto and then nata move kana nan Kombo Banko kanjanto at very young age and then from there nata na tamulke tamara fananga Europe ladul fanan tama and then yeah say be Gambia ko take be tani nala han say bare be Gambia baake say yeah
isa fono mulego inyinga ibe min do ko mi ke kanjanten comme ka wulol maliyande ke karandi kan wala ke karandi ningbe kala nyaadi la hadama yalten ite nyin karamun tole
denga nyin karan dula jannato bare isa fono ko na karan different fanal la nimbe tubab du fana ne wulol la ko dunda nyon kono da fen ko diarante ne wala mu the first thing is ndela fa da fen la le kabrim be do yari safono kabrim be do yari lafta jin da fen la bakele da fen tijente mal la men nan safono na tren ke marana solo kono because of nga sa jol sotole nga sa jol mala yandile nga sisel mala yandile anu wulol fana na radia nya wala nyama and then even suol be mbulano nga remember famane ne suo sanyele o suo nyum fana o kata comme ko mfanti dal so dafen ko la fon diatante generally so and then dafen ni be kono doron the most important thing nga karanke dula jamala to bar men kuma ta bake wala mu karanta dafen balale so wala mun tala nte kan mfana legacy je wala nyama ko nte ngamen karanta dafen fon bala wala siata ngamen karan institutional to online ni lani oda academy men nga karanke je to
kam telefona akuma ya telecom dafen le tara mul kono te ni mul ka fana ka hadama yalon comme ni wulol te
yeah no akum ala kuma ya yara kabin jannante be wulula nga dunya tarle yani ngani dafen wala mu especially wulol ni ajibe wanotu mo na mi tara santol to korda ko dinda je be wulo tara je to le ida ite ala be la wulo bula men kam jama bije ka bula men kam santol to mo suñarol man siya bake bari otumo ila senefol men katari wulol kono ke ni wula kono fel fanan kawul tinya bake comme sulol ni sewol ni o sifali so ka wulol tala ke bula je to ngajele otumo hanena nyim mor ke bal melan ka fuko ka nyin kena bal bondi e ka wulol sot la men kata kantaro ke la wulol ko dolo bije ka wulol fananta ka kantaro ke la sajol kante so nyil mu fele de melan ka fuko ni be nyon kono le nte avoid no la nto si men keno do wala mu drawto ngemu ta ko ka fuko de a part of us be telephone be society ni tele bollo kono ite bondi no la na balu kono at all so ya ken dan nga irrespect bakele because of ngaje ko e ka ifra ni la role la mu ka men play ni na society la ma fana so fo fen ni anala role la mu hadama din ni la role la mu da fen fana ni la role la mu anu niyo fana be mu niyo lati so nte o kan ma adini le baka diamu e baka femfo ni kunye dimi baka fono ni bal ni sasa bele baka fono so kante akante bala fa bake da fen wala so ngaje ka fo ko nyanta ke look after nyanta ke katandim fanale e bajala ka fo ni be kolya ko kono doron sa realize no yeah sa ha be treji be kadde
ani kabe isa fano mule ko community gambe bango bula itata outside sanji le be nyin story ka
safono de la whole life safono kadu wulo la ma fana bar nga fo na balu tala be mu dafa wallati la fa dafen la dron da well before mbeta mala fon la fa dafen wona le so nara tamol so to fana the same thing dafen ko dron kataro kono le baren sa fono kadum wulol la koko baka nin sa intema ay sanji tan sila sai maybe Gambia la mafana maka ma establish bake pour ka fundinde comme ça nga fundinde nyame bara tari meta dafen kulula la meta dafen study la meta dafen karan fanan kelale so anin sayente mo dal mbafula ko nga sanji tankele ni ñu wulul say ni be ñon ko no sayente
say fo Gambia ko jan
abe ka fo nya ka fu ñoma be Gambia ko jan say nak pour ka fundi on social media ngamira wo mu just maybe 2 years le ko bena 2 years le ko pour ka fundinde because of fanan keta nyamen ka mon le ma ko no ni la wulole problème mo soto nimbe Gambia jang nimbe Gambia jang ni commande sitaje ngi ma ko be la wulol ko rakin la nyaadile e be la wulol discipline na nyaade naate ka sappi nyon kan ne wara any other behaviors na da la wulo ya soto andum behavior nyum mandiyete den si ma ko e baake no la nyaadile so wol fanan ka fo moliye tare karle ma ko na wulo la so wol na da wanya butu mo din kala fika nga ma ko
akam da ko dogu kendo ni yaga rek jenite be fo la mol afon la ka fo
exactly wala ni nga mol ji sila kan na wulo fanan ke tekke ya baake nimbi jan don kadan si domoro nyini ye nga domoro dila
ya fele ko domoro nyini iko mun domoro si fala di ñu wulo la
no ñu wulo la domoro expensive tale in some other way a depende ite be la wulo fit la nyaadile andi be la wulo treat la nyaadile bari la domoro manke domoro te mi alan ka fo ko chip tale spécial ndeka domoro men dinna wulol la nga mek solo ko domoro kendo yadomo e domoro quality rim fana yadomo pour ila jada kende afana bola bala because ni man domoro kendo dila ila jada kende ata sabat la ni la jada kende man sabatan say ndele batala because of ni sa da fan si tekkea so ngana dimbal tekkea nyame ngani wulol fana tekkea wala nyama so ila domoro amanke domoro ya fa dron okay comme normal mol kam menke dron ka kini sita cika ka kini ka di kino dam bandon cika ka di la lulo ina kino ta yala do mu fa preta le toni ala di la ala ko di ala ta no ndela wulol baka balu nyama ifana nila domoro nyanta men domola of course ikana domoro domole sometimes but nimbaji la fana ka make solo ko ay ke domoro kendo de defa be men domola ha ka ko lati dal yeah
comme ya fa nyamin den comme nisa sada in order be something like that nisa sada fo ye dulal so to mi yalla ko in Gambia hiya jang comme ni la wulo ni nisa sada ke samba je pour treatment fo ite fon yo be so to jang
most likely ndefa kana wulo treat le fo fana da ko major issues whereby okay need some machine lele pour que scan ka jibe munam problème oti aussi fal nak ngata ngam veterinary jele but na man ko jama be jeto mfana kan wulo la jata kende mfana ka control and ne sa so do fana mfana ke atrale nge jarano na on my own way ni bara mo fana so do fana si comme il faut fena de jata kende nata manke major ko nga fanyame am scanning kumantar jeto or something mfan ko kam baranka make sure fana ken because manke veterinary to make it clear because
fanyu wulo different types of
yes wulo le different wulo membe keren dunya kono at least abetala for 150 something different type of breed o membe dunya kono abe sera breed kemen intalultile different bebe tol folale so ibemu adum fofenda bena jikolam anda be ye breed fanam fenne kamma ni wulo ndi yaje ya breed fenne kamma ni man na dron ke comme na normal wuloli bare ni ye create le for example ni ko mba misala mo ya understand okay e jatola yelota ye dafen dota mela ke wiata wulo kono yala yelota ye yelo dasin jasi mela ka foko ila zero ka zero ta tariya kele dafen be wulo kono mela ka foko ila zero tariya tale so baje ko scientist ol fanan ka dum wala no maka jibe ke yelol ta kana ka creation o ke ka wulu do da ye todi yala ko for example nyembe jeten is German shepherd okay ni mu German shepherd le di abod nan ala ordinary bota German le so ni na dada ni scientist ma siada sandi keme yatel mu sandi keme saba sandi keme nan ya do tiga ila good so baje ka foko ni sifa ye imbri dalila kamma fo fendi neje doro yebe bri dalila kamma so sifa siya badala yeah
mo jama ka fole ko malo sisa o ka nyimande nyaade sisa o ka nyaadi le because dol bijele sangarta bagele dol bijele mana ko mandiya ika mana nyaadi le ninyu fo ka dalila te because ika jale sometimes imariol fongo korigele ka sila ika nafe nan because nkela video jama jele je dol bije fa ka fole ko nanyi sangartale ma fe ngate bernana tan nyi ika ko afalinda mari fongo surprise ite ko mana nyaadi
be mu londola ti doron fofene ni ba kala nyanta ka karanne and fofene ni ba ka akono fana nyanta ka ata anin fulla anin faida is more important and also you must love them kano fana wala kumata. This dog, they like, you know, they want somebody to show them love. And then dog psychology, nyanta ko understand le muna mulo la mira nyati. This wala kumata. Then wulo natan kam. First of all, nka study le fulo ngalo ni wulo ni muna ba kunkono. So psychologically, nkalo no le ni muna mala problem ote. Either it's a fearful dog, or it's a reactive dog, or it's a aggressive dog, or it's, you know, unconfidential dog. Different, you can name it, huh? So ndeka will be suite no wulo bala ni meta doron. Dul bije kafana kela wulo na de kafanya sangartale, aggressive tale. Ndela on my own accept ima aggressive. Maybe they are.
Adesitale amutanya aning iba understand.
Yeah, jama menko fana ke jama bije to Mario fan ke handul nyame. O ka kenda ni wulol ka iba ka confidence soto I Mario la, iba ka trust soto I Mario la. So o trust bali anyi tel camera mo mon karate bala drong, then it's a threat to them. So I don't have to allow nobody to come close to me because it's a threat to my life. So reaction on you call letter. So we'll be back in the house. Whoa. Don't come to me. Don't close to me. That sometimes some bargains are not even aggression, but warning. Most likely it's warning. Okay, you want in a distance. Okay, whoa. Don't come to me. Don't come to me. Don't come to me. So that is warning, because of maybe many people also misunderstood it. They think that their dogs are protecting them at home while their dogs are bargaining. Chikaila. Good. So jama bijo de kamela wulol ka wo menke soko no ila wulol fatiati la manke fatiati. Sometimes the dogs can take smell from the distance, and that smell can be like okay, I don't trust this smell. What kind of strange smell is coming to me? So he's bargaining on that smell. Maybe it's a human smell, then abamira ko human ya benaka teleka wala mu dog psychology. So bajela ko tabata kara ka wulol mo ni ndoko how korda do fana ko do ko je how ibe nyom fenkela how because nindo kuma ka menke nindo ya respond you respond yeah be understand ko munebe naka. So that's a warning sign of no, the smell that coming, stop there, this is my territorial. So these are territorial dogs. For instance, ni yalon ka fetele tamu janti iba make sure ko jang it belong to them alone. So femma nyankana jang akita mole tubang akita oda ima kabirina da wuludobe wo wonka because of an nyimba kanyon jabake. So always need to be high nada mun nyin jando jamundala ma found. This is my area. So these are this dog psychology. So for your study len ta ko la jibe wulo bala follow then nibe doko kela. And the most important thing is nina da ase ko nyoka aggressive tale. Okay. Doko ni risky bijele. Sometimes I take a risky. Because sometimes ibakalong wulo la man membi je fane ibakalong.
Yeah. Mojima ko fule de.
Yeah, ibakalong. Sometimes the lamira nya, especially first time, do kana with first time, ndalon no exactly, but nina started on ka cop in a 1 hour, 2 hours all day, then mbalo ka okay. Ni wulo yara nyina mala problem odi. Sometimes it happen immediately ngaje do ngafo enko okay, nyina mala problem odi. Ofana ka kenole. But sometimes I take a risky because ngaje ko doko nding without a risk at tanola. So sometimes it's a big risky for me to tackle some certain dogs, because some are very aggressive and I can be attacked, and they also even attempt to attack me. But with my skills and alala makoiro, then
they say it from you like you I confidence in the Carola and something like that, because mojama kafle come like wulo no mo kurundu ndamendro na jere ka kala directly fonyu mo kurundu fonyu mo kendo.
Yeah, it's possible. Wulo ka mo kurundu bondo nyoto nyajibe ola kenda ndika manya kendo ani ka jeri nya kendo ifana akumata le nya cross intel ka me use bake nimbe wulo train la as a protection nga me use ka folen ko decoys have to be a man. Always males are threat to dogs. You cannot most likely use female as a decoy. When I say decoy, meaning okay, I'm teaching this dog for protection, then nyanta mole nyetanda male ka foko, he is coming with a strange face, funny face, in an aggressive face, so then the dog will feel that, oh, what is this? With a hand glove like this, you have a bite glove on your hand like this, then with the cover of your head, you cover your head, then the dog will say, oh, what is this? I cannot recognize this guy. So what is it? So then you will try to pursue the dog towards that strange person. Then the dog, adopted that, okay, each time that I see strange person like this, they are bad people. So in their mentality now, these are always bad people. So ulola mira nyaka ko lenya wala ke ne molje ika kuma wonyama wara akti kankom ko ibenai atakan. Sometimes aka happen fana yalon ka foko ko nga fanya me they are territorials. So ne moje ba fula ko why are you here? for instance, if you come to my house here, my dogs will ask you, why are you here? Wow, why are you here? Get up.
I'm a
suite. So wala kan dan itlika alay wulo fanan son fennale alay wulo da fen kono le baray is a very special animal because it can men feel, it can men smell, it can men keno da fen jama baka keno. So italo no la wulo la ko belo no la, there are certain things from bakol nyitandi because lo kaka time do la fan akatari ita film no la fan bodo to mo ka lon ka fo alay nyil fanan da fen kam. Yeah.
Ani kabi comme na fala nyame rek me sisa wala ya kaf me Mohamed Sisa o mi yalan ko ka fay dog masta atele ka wulo ke train ni Gambia ko na jang ke sangarta nyaawo nya ko ma fa nyame rek wala nango ani kabi ko me fero ke na trajane na kacha ko mali ya nyame den do fon bala di site le comme exemple odi ani kabi Sisa o mba fale ko yo continuer ka fu mole ko ite comme difficulty le face ni na tan ni dog training site la.
Difficulty o auto banaje do ko nga fanya me do ko nding it has a risk do ko nding have also constraints, like you have your own difficulties and ko kana with son yakono ni be duna ko ndin do ndamira in life you have to expect difficulties and also good times, like for instance bad times and good times. So sometimes you have some customers are very nice, you work very smooth with them, but some customers can be also difficult. So itali nyandalo na iba kolbe handula nyadile. And secondly, fana ka wulo dol fana soro wulo nyil ka sangarale o sangaro nyum fana aka kete very big difficulty pour ko sangaro nyinta ka pour nda bulo kono. It's easier for me pour nge karandi ye nde handle just a day or 2 days, for example. But pour que karandi pour ya understand ko ndebe nyame mariol fana mbole nyama, that take time. Fana ka wato tale. So ba jala ka foko ka ke kolya ko lati sometimes pour ko ta ka make sure da fem len kamunta wulo abaka diamu ya mala muna bato ya karandi ya londi nyina nyanta kala nyina manyankela nyina nyanda kake nyina manyankeke. You saw the dog that yes and no, fight out difference will be able to, like this dog here. I asked him to stay down. You can be here for hours. Mbetara jana for what jama abijanda ma abetla jana ni ma fa wuli jata wula jam. So that's, for me, that's amazing. That's so
na jale ye fendol na fen comme table mulu ya landi ala ta ko munan nan nyinke.
Okay, this is something that we use most for place command. Place command is nkafona diamol kono bake is you can signify it with a lot of you can symbolize it with a lot of things. Like this one now, it creates him to be on her own bed. So at the fejan say abala larana kante. Because of ngakarandala, if you go place, this is your place to be. And then this place also we train for this. Understand it's a very comfortable place for me. I don't have to get any two mind. It's just like let her or he feel like this is a home. Chikela. So ayanta feel like mala buneti. So with that, much more easy nga fa ina ndoro ila bankoto. Msala no bankoto barangamira ko is nice pour afane alon ko ay comfortable demanding ay la santo atramantal la re obiemu da fon la bunyalati. But ofanan eke karandala how to get used to this, we call it a place command. This is place command. And new place command aka no wulo to create a distance. For instance, now if I want my distance, I can ask him go and place there, over there. Place chika. Good. Go and place there and wait for me. Or now go and sleep your bed. Because sometimes more difficulties so la wulo because on duna bunu kono. Ila wulo kata romi kan korda kono nyama. Hani geso visitors so baka dundi no bun kono because wulo mo laf bun kono la. Ni ma karan I camera bun is a very bad place for them. And they can feel the fanan kom ko idetata jetole. You man feel wulo la freedom wala. So for the sign that sometimes you need to be in your house. So wala can then in tablo nyinga use wala. We call it a place command. It's always we give place command on this table.
Say, comme ya fa nyami rek mol kela wulon la fe jana pour ki training di ke daji ko kela ke hanama ya itandi la fo wol min kana fe jana ke jole bon fo ike training di fo tendoro.
No, depend on the behavior of the dog. Some dol fana bigen ke train le free wala o ka siala fana nga wul jamale train free na le ka video jibe nga free training di mol dale. But jama bijeto they pay for it. ha ni nata comme ko tela fela wulo kan la obedient la pour ina ñom fam comme ni tan nga ñom fam ñame janten abe la kunding abe ten kunding den ngam mem fay doro aya moy al nala badi yaay dia suwo kono atari am antar stobon nesla jedo ne mem faate donc na wadul bi jabbe jompule kan abe fan distract la fe fan kata be kala fela wulo la because of ala maña so si fal ni anati we have a payment for that then nina drone nimbenda drone sa training
ida mané bi jam minke ñi wulol feng fo ye pat ye assistant no sodo jande minke ma ko ya
nga assistant no sodo le nga mol sodo memel fanan karande kan duma nga dindo sodo le melan ka fo ko be karande kan although comme ñu patient la mu ñenti pour mo membe sacrifice la ko dum ala filo ñu kono aka kole a bakele gambia yul solitaire mam patient soto bake so it kala file fin be na nan at one kunya killing yow ñul dum feni si first of all men ko mata je fa ko wala mu foy si la filale you have to love the job first before fending draw ba tambil la nyanda wala tambil la follow you have to love your job de ko mul advice wala par ko moje me yalan ka fo okay ay wulol kanu dambandoron wala kala fa ka wulol train ka ke trainati amansia itel kame do nina do nyanda ka karne do yano and they take me years before I can show myself what I can do so it's just not gonna come overnight
so for ila intention mo like comme même mol men train ni kanjang ila intention for in future lefta ka glayel mi yalan ko asike comme school mulun kamo kamol karandi je ni nata ni doku wala karola fo ilefta ka sam beyond this
yeah left ka atambi left tambi la jannala ndela miro always it's always high aka high sometimes even my family can tell me oh take it easy you do too much take your time because na miro kata nimbi jando kala filanga lafa mo kala finga to no clean so I want lafa gambela wulo mentality men gambeno li aso wulo to I want to change the narrative I want to change that narrative. I want to change that mentality from people. I want to show people that these are very beautiful animals and they can, play a very vital role in your house, in your compound, with your family. Some of my dogs, I train them for my own kids to protect them. Some of dogs that I train them for my only compound to guide me. So I see the benefit, what the role that they play. Nga faje bake. So
as futata dulado mi yalla nako momo si janda ko wulo so mi yalla nako abesi jor because gambe kata nyami sai I buga understand
yeah until jam most likely nka wulolta only for guiding la okay but nyajibe ibe nyim tele jibe kana dando nyim wulola events mu nyinti ninti wa wulo mu nyinti wulole events men ka kuma nyame camera ko president la bena kan jeto because of the respect and and the love they get for the love no chika no the respect that they have for dogs. So ibaja ka fo kon telephone nyanta ka tambe nyin lebulo sa ne banko ten jibe Africa all tambe tan lebulo la sa ni tara Ghana nyali I communicate with Ghanaian lot of Ghanaian kennels ni jibo la dog ila wulo la position be nyame jeto is too high. They have dog shows. You can dog show organize every 3-4 months. You can dog show organize dog show is like a sport. Akake ndi fona mulka nyon kanu. Akake ndi mulka nyon long. Akake ndalika mix nyon kono alia ndela wulo munyina so you can know what type of breed I have. Nyum fana sala ndi fana breed jomala soto. Maybe in the future you want to do a combination so you can so it's very nice ntanga mera pour moli wulu ko fana value not only nga fodon beta do ngeke na korda kono e ka mo jele wulol sang ya ke la korda kono they don't have time for them so I think that narrative need to be changed until a mirror meant wala mu in the future I will even I wanted to open even a dog psychological center whereby we're going to rehabilitate dogs ninko rehabilitation wala mu wulol me alan ka foko e manya kurungutale already idaji ko beti nyata la fereng nyena tijeto nke muta jeto comme ni ko tanka be nyame you can follow rehabilitation center so that's my goal all mun namiro de pour rehabilitation yele whereby young people from nile foka karanjedo you can come and study dogs isala mun mu la psychologist isala how to control the dogs and also in simul fonan karandi individually fona mela ka foko wulol be bulu sokono nsi karandi ata mela baake fam bo yele lale whereby we gonna have a public training school
kabri en start jang fo inene mantawo competition si fala jangal ma programme si fa organize Gambia la wulle bulo man tadlato cikela Gambia la wulle bulo abano leto
So all muntala miro wala akena internet phone. Even social media, I was doing it for a little bit while without social media. But molle push. Kana Facebook le, you have to come to Facebook, you have to come to TikTok. You know, before when I post a video, I can go maybe, 1 month, 2 months, I didn't post any video. So, but, public demand it, Oh, please, you have to do more, you have to do this, you have to do that. So that motivation pushed me to go more into the social media. But before I was not even using social media. Ngata ka wulol ma ko silol kan ka kol ke mbaka nyitandi mbaka fo fende nyitandi bare ngamira fana is high time pour ka nyitandi molla deni bajala ko mol fana na man be molla man ci no wala nyama mol sa jeno wulole menno an wulol kamune ke no fana so and how to handle your dogs. So that's why most of my videos I try to explain, break down how you can handle your dog, so then maybe you can learn from that video and then you practice it at home and then you have a better dog for yourself. So that's my main goal is to na Gambia la wulu lebulo nga selendi ba tika
akam dala ko damin do cameraman be alad kan time o bandale fe mantaraje isa la kuma kala bon fu molete no mola close because wado tije ba fulale first of all ala baraka bake Tra TV ale na men ki janto ñina banku do koti but Gambia dinu fana be ni barala be na followers sol fana be ni barala. And the moment you come across with my video, if you are not following me, but you watch my video, and then Bafulenko shout out to each of you down there, and then more be content, more be nimbarala, Bafulal be unko fana alamu ale banko sutura, alamu ale nyina banko son Cairo la nyimbe mo Cairo lete, nin Cairo man suro nyin beta kenola, so Cairo nyin doron alamu ale o tenten din nyaton kol fana alamu ke nyaton ka kendo timo li pour na banko stano nyato nyame. Ndumbe ka funyo manga wulol respect fana nga wulol kanu mbe ndol fana dani le kana kara wulol bun silol ka e kana kara wulol buli silol ka ne wulol je do ne man ku keno e kana e bum berola so mbo advice fana dila mo bela fana ani wulol bo mo nem fana bulal sala wulol teke ala lan ka foko lumbe na la le ibal nyinen kala le ale nyini mata nyaadi le because already atelle la mara fon miti so nyanda ke bunya la ko da fon la miti baka diya mo man fellon so ndelle ka nyita ndelle nyanda fana ka nyitandila pour salon wala mun na ko moti abarka bake sisawo comme ya fa nyani comme na fale nyami watu wa Tra TV len atolat na mulbe siri nya atolat nan ka findin ga nyum programme ke wodo ani ka bi mbafala Mohamed Sisawo ya barka mi ya ka fa ko dog masta ata be jenne kuma kan jimal mi foteng ani ka bi rek mbafala le ko ala barka bage ka Tra TV al mul jube kan dame kan nyina ka mul subscribe all social media platform molto mena cameraman mbafala ko aya barka bage min ket ala sana bati mi yal na ko dal be ni image ni good video bondika ani ka bi annal bade male fat ko bale ala barka bage fo wati ko rek